I love you. I love you so much. Ah. You say hello? Hello, who's this? Who's this? Hello, so today is my freaking birthday. So, we're just going to have lunch. Nagpa-reserve na ako doon. And yeah, ganun ko lang celebrate yung birthday ko. It's just a simple birthday celebration. So, gusto ko lang din i-unbox tong binili ko. Pinasabay ko to sa Ireland. So, this is Bratzies. I'm healing my inner child. Super love ko yung Bratz ever since. Yung mga Mycines, ganun. Pero ako naman kasi, pag nakuha ko na yung, for example, nakuha ko ng isang ganito, okay na ako dun. Hindi naman ako yung tipong I need to collect them all, ganyan. So, alisin muna natin yung plastic niya. Tagal na ito dumating actually. And ngayon ko na siya naisipan i-open. Tada! It's actually a huge box, oh. Laki niya. So, ang gusto kong makuha dito is si Jade or Chloe. Yeah, si Jade or Chloe or malay nyo yung secret, diba? Please give me Jade or Chloe or kahit tong dalawang secret. Wow, yung rare feeling. Ang cute niya. Parang nakakaano i-ruin yung box. So yeah, let's open it. So dito siya i-open pala sa side. Ang cute talaga. Like, I don't want to ruin the box or anything. Tatawa sa sarili ko. Wala pa naman pala. So, dapat kayo unang makakakita. How do you do this? Okay. Nakalagay siya sa pouch na ganito. It's like a paper pouch or something. Kinakabahan ako. Feeling ko yung makukuha ko yung ayaw ko na naman. Laging ganun. Pero sana naman yung gusto ko. Birthday ko naman. Baka naman. Dami sinasabi. Oh my gosh, guys. Sino to? Ay! Hindi ito yung gusto ko. Natawa ako. What the fuck? Okay. Hindi ko lang ba't ako nag-react ng ganun. I thought it's Chloe. But it's Sasha. Okay na din. Nagkaroon din ako ng Sasha before eh. Yeah. Or si Yasmin yan. Anyways, it's cute naman. Sayang, hindi ko nakita yung... hindi ko nakuha yung gusto ko. Pero cute siya, in fairness. Cute. Oh, may mga ganito pa pala. Like, there's a sticker. Ang cute. And, meron siyang milk bottle. Ang cute naman pala. Okay. We're done. Yun na yun. So, I'm just waiting for my mom and my siblings and then we're good to go na. Just going to have a lunch lang. Simple birthday lunch. Kale! Kale, paano yung cry? You show it to them. Paano yung cry? Paano yung cry, darling?
Cry.
Show me your crying face.
Cry face.
Mo.
birthday.
Ay, nagustuhan niya yung oatmeal?
Natitirang yogis na isa.
You want yogis? Let's buy some yogis daw, Daddy. Wow!
Ganun ba?
Ano ba yan? Yay! Funny crying face? Ay, wow, wow. O yan.
Wait na.
Wow! Wow!
Type nga?
Where's my birthday gift? Thank you, Lola. Picture tayo, picture. Hindi mo isa nakatingin ang story niya. Tingin, Mami. I have something. Daddy, wala. Asa na? Give it to me. Thank you, Ma. Wow!
Attention, Watson shoppers. Do you have a lot more 50 years old and older with chicken pox? Or maybe you're allergic to diabetes. If so, they may take the shingles vaccine and get vaccinated now.
He's not afraid anymore because he's a big boy na. Are you a big boy na, Kale? Big boy ka na po? Big boy ka na?
No.
Big boy ka na? No pa daw. Let's check lang. Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya.
Wala ba dyan yung parang juice? Kasi mahilig na siya sa ganyan.
Nag-order na ako nun. Want this flavor, mixed berry or banana and mango?
Ito, strawberry.
What do you want? Strawberry, banana? Ay, ito na lang kaya. Hindi pa niya ito natitikman.
Yun yung lasa sweet potato.
Hindi. May kiwi. Masarap yung kiwi. Yay! Open agad. Ang cute ng mga ganito. T-Rex. Baby shark. Lollipop. Sour worms. Fruit bonbons. Nothing nougat. Try it, Kale.
Try. Try.
Oh, you taste it. You taste it. Wow.
Wow!
Wow! You like it? Naturuan mo siya, Dad, na...
Sinisip-sip yun.
Okay. Yay!
Just gonna wait for the photos. Ang hirap pala pag high angle, di niya tinitingnan
Di
yung
ba may
mali.
scan ka dyan? Scan mo sa cellphone.
Pero please select images.
Wow! You're going to get the photo? Yay! Can I see, Kate? Kale! Kale!
Birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, mommy. Happy
Birthday, happy birthday,
Happy birthday, mommy. Oh, you blow the candle.
Mommy will make a wish first. 1, 2, 3. Oh, blow. Blow. You blow the candle.
Yun.
Pina-practice na natin yun,
Yun.
di ba? You blow the candle,
Oh, you blow the
darling.
candle.
Blow. Yay! Thank you, Tintin. Thank you, Bebe and Ariel, for the cake. Na-appreciate ko. Thank you so much.
Hello, so thank you so much for your birthday greetings. Thank you sa mga nakaalala sa akin, sa mga nag-effort na mag-post and story ako. Thank you so much. Kila Tin and Ariel, sobrang consistent talaga nila. Alam mo yun, nagpapadala sila sa akin ng cake yearly. So, thank you so much. Sobrang na-appreciate ko kayo lahat. And can I just say, I was a bit emotional, reading my family's birthday messages to me. Kila mama, kay Mark, sa mga kapatid ko. I didn't know na ganun pala yung naging impact ko sa kanila because someone once told me that, I was never good enough. I was not a good role model to my siblings. And, words can really hurt a lot and parang may instill na talaga siya sa utak mo eh. So, reading their messages meant a lot to me. My siblings and I are close, but parang more on actions kami than words. So, na-appreciate ko yung mga sinabi nila, yung mga birthday messages nila sa akin. It made me realize that maybe I was too hard on myself all along. I thought my mistakes defined me and I carried this feeling that I was never good enough. But through their words, I saw a different version of myself. Someone they appreciate, someone who tried, someone who was there for them in ways I didn't even notice. It reminded me that sometimes the way we see ourselves isn't the same as how the people who love us see us. And maybe, just maybe, I've been doing better than I ever gave myself credit for. So here's to healing, to unlearning the harsh things I once believed about myself, and to finally seeing myself through kinder eyes. Here's to growing, to forgiving myself for the mistakes I've held on to for too long, and to embracing the love that was there even when I couldn't see it. And most of all, here's to becoming the kind of person I needed when I was younger. Someone patient, understanding, and gentle with herself.